Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. First of all, I'm still sick. I get boogery and sometimes I start coughing, so I wasn't going to do a video tonight, but took my meds. I'm feeling a little better. I have no idea what's going on, but today is the Monday tutorials. We're going to do something smoky probably and just kind of play with makeup and just kind of chit chat. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my LMS moisturizer. So yes, I'm still sick. I have no idea what's going on. I'm going to the doctor on Wednesday. Hopefully she could fix me, because let me tell you, this head cold has turned into like body aches. I guess it's kind of like the flu, but it's making my eye hurt. It's making my tooth hurt. It's making everything hurt. So I figure, okay, so I'll go to the doctor and more things will start hurting and then she'll fix me. So now I'm going to go into my Hourglass foundation. I love this foundation. I think it's great because I love to carry it around with me when I go, when I travel or when I go to work, which I don't really need to take it to work because I have a whole bunch of makeup. But anyway, I like it because if I have like a little pimple, like right here, I could touch myself up with it later and it's not going to break or be messy or anything like that. Now I'm just using one of my brushes from Amazon that I've talked about a few times. I do have my eyebrows on already. I use my little pencil here from Wet n Wild. It is under $2 and I did get that at Walmart. So anyway, I've been sick for about a week now. Instead of getting better, I just keep getting worse. I don't know what the hell is going on. I'm a little over it because I have to pretend that I'm okay when I'm at work, when I'm dying inside. And I keep blowing my nose and it keeps running. So I know that's gross. So I'm sorry if my nose is just constantly running. So, okay, so that is that. Now I'm going to go into my little concealer from a Shape Tape. This is another one I really like to have in my bag. It is a mini, so it's convenient. I don't have to take like all these different, big products with me or anything like that. Now I'm gonna get my brush again. I'm just going to drag that down. So on Saturday, I went to a 1920s party. Was it Saturday or Friday? I can't remember. Anyway, I went to a 1920s party. I was sick, took my medicine, and kind of sat the whole time because I didn't want to miss my friend's party. That was a lot of fun. So that is my vlog. I don't know what's going on with my Friday vlog. Something happened to it. I couldn't upload it, and then when I thought I uploaded it, I don't know, something weird happened to it. So next, if you want to check that out, it was a fun party. All right, so now I'm going to go into my favorite powder at the moment. This is my Fit Me by Maybelline, and I'm just going to just kind of set everything underneath. This little point really gets in there. This is my Juno sponge. And if you're hearing noises, my little Stella got her bark box. Nose running. She got her bark box and she loves it. And I'm terrible because I keep thinking I'm going to take pictures and I forget. Because she takes off. So I need to tag her with the bark box. I love this powder because it's inexpensive. I'm obsessed with drugstore products. It's inexpensive and it kind of makes your face... Well, my face is not looking so good right now because I have sticky face. But when you apply this powder, it just makes everything look flawless. Like I said, I wasn't going to do this video, but I kind of felt... It's kind of nice to kind of sit in front of the camera and just kind of chit-chat by myself with you guys. Well, chit-chat by myself for you guys. All right. So there we go. If I'm rambling, just remember, I'm on meds. All right, the next thing I'm going to take is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour little set here, and this is in the medium. There's a color right here that I love, especially like on, lighter skin tones, because it just gives you this beautiful, beautiful sun-kissed look. It's one of my favorites. So now I'm just going to mix it. I like to go into my cheeks just to warm it up a little bit. I'm sorry, I know this is gross. And then I just kind of go around like in threes, like 1, 2, and 3. I like to go in a circular motion. Just around the perimeter of my face. I know. Oh my God, I'm good. All right, so that's that. Then I'm gonna go into my Emily palette. Where's the mirror? Okay, so this one is the Emily Edit Venise. As you can see, it's well loved. I like to go into these two colors right here. Smile. Put it on the apples of my cheeks. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Jumbo Pencil by NYX, and this is in Yogurt. And this is a great pencil. You could wear it by itself. They have like a million different colors. They're all like this really nice shimmery color. You could apply it on your eyelids as a primer because your your eyeshadow will stay on longer. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of swatch it so you could see it. It's right here, this really pretty champagne color. And then whatever color I lay on there, it's just going to peek through. So I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona Glow. And this is for face and body. And this is the deep color. I'm going to grab some with my finger. And then I'm just going to apply that on top of that Jumbo pencil. And then I'm going to focus mainly on my lower lid, and then I'm going to just feather it out because it's just a really nice, creamy, velvety product. And as you know, I love using my fingers. So I guess today we're going to go just for a simple, dewy, bronzy look. All right, now I'm going to go into one of my little Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes, and I'm going to go on my lower lash line all the way into the inner corners. And then I'm going to kind of start dragging that color out on the outer corners. Round it out in the inner corner and then just start dragging it down. Right, I'm now going to get my Colossal mascara, the mini. I'm going to put mascara on. Okay, and now I'm going to go into, where's that pencil? Where's the pencil? I threw it somewhere, now I can't find it. Where did it go? Luckily, I have a huge thing here. All right, so I'm going to go into my hard candy, and this is Kohl and marker. Look at that. And look at the Kohl. Holy cow, that's huge. So I'm going to go ahead and get my little mirror here. Probably dried up because I've had it for like a million years. I'm going to go on the Kohl side. I like these Kohl pencils. And then I'm also going to apply that in my inside my waterline. In my inner waterline. Was that what I was going to say? I think it's so cute when I open the door, all three of my dogs are sitting there waiting for me. I can't let them in because they start licking and doing all this stuff. All right, so now I'm going to go in with my eyelure lashes in 126. This is what they look like. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on there. And then I'm going to let it get tacky while we do our other business. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for a second. What? I had to poke a hole in this glue because it wouldn't come out of the hole it's supposed to come out of. And now when I squish it out, it makes a big giant mess everywhere. Okay, so we're going to let those sit for a second. Now I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier Glow. I do have the tiny one because my bigger one, of course, is going to be in my kit. I'm not going to keep it for myself. All right, so I'm going to get a little brush here. Where's the other brush? I'm losing everything today. Okay, so I'm going to get a little brush. Now, this is great because it's going to give you like a glow within. It's not going to be like a crazy highlight or anything like that. If you guys have been wondering about it, this is what it looks like. It's just going to be a soft glow. So it's not going to be a highlighter, but it's going to give you that inner beautiful glow so you could see. It is a little bit of a champagne color. So I just kind of like to smile and just kind of work it up past my brow bone and into my temples. So just natural glow. The other side. Now I know that she also has a brush. The brush is kind of shaped weird. I don't have it because I know how I like to place it. And it kind of hugs your face. So if you want to check out that brush, but I just kind of go around in a circle. It's hard to get it out of this little guy. I just like to go around in a circle, make it look nice and natural, keep its bow a little bit on the nose. It's kind of like, it kind of reminds me of this, except this is $50-something and this is $30-something, I believe. I could be wrong. I'll put it down below how much it costs. But didn't cost much, I know that. So like I said, it is like a really nice champagne color. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. Just pop these little babies on. I like this band because it's not like super thick or super thin. It's just like a perfect. And then when it loses its form, all you do is, I blinked and I jacked myself up. It's easy to take the glue off of them. See, they're pretty. And then what I like to do is squeeze them. I like to squeeze them against my eyelashes. That way they stay on. Okay, now I like to get that little kohl pencil. And then I'm going to go inside my waterline and I'm going to dig that right into my lash line because that's going to help that eyeliner stay in a little better. And then I'm going to get my little Jaclyn Hill brush and I'm going to go into my Emily the Once. And I'm going to go into Capricorn. And I'm going to smear that liner. So it looks like it's inside your waterline, but actually it's right inside your lash line. And then when you kind of go over it with this eyeshadow, it kind of helps sets it and stays there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Top Story, which is kind of like a golden color. So it gives it a little bit of flecks of gold in there. All right, now I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, and then I'm going to dab into Capricorn and Top Story. And then I'm going to go over all those colors. All right, and then I'm going to go into, let's see, I think I'm going to use my Pirates of the Caribbean lip gloss. This is by Lorac. And you can't get it at the store, but you could get at like Ulta or anything like that. But I recently just picked this up at Marshall's. And my boogers are peeking through. And that's it. It's just a really simple, a little like glowy look with a little bit of a pop of, you know, black liner in your inner waterline. And that's my easy little tutorial for today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for my next video. Hopefully I will not be boogery. And now I'm going to attempt to turn the camera off because it sticks and you guys always see me kind of struggling with that. So let's see if it works.